because it's also fear that the person's
Yeah,
going to come after me and attack me. Because
of
I
course.
think when I was younger, there was
Mm.
the pattern of when I stood for myself, I would get in trouble, like I would get
Yes,
attacked further from my
yes,
parents.
yes,
Like that's,
yes.
I don't know how much shame it is, but also mixed with fear.
Of
This act,
course.
I'm shaking. I'm actually afraid of the person.
Yeah, yeah, of course you are, because your survival depended on compliance and putting yourself away and tending to all of these very scary stimuli outside of you. And so now, when you try to emerge out of that and heal from that, there's going to be lots of protective parts that are ringing the alarm bells saying, but remember what happened, but remember what happened, but remember what happened. And to the degree that you can get other people to help you have something happen differently now, and that you can go into your interiority and work with those parts and say, yeah, that did happen. Look what's happening now. We're practicing something new.
Yeah. Thank you. And I think what maybe if I can't find somebody, because you can't always find somebody,
Yeah,
that's just been my
yeah,
experience. I can't
yeah.
always find somebody. I could just, when I feel in a safe enough space with farther enough distance from the person, I can just pause and stop and breathe
I love that.
and just like be with the somatic experience of the fear and of
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah.
Would it help to write yourself a card that you carry with you that says something that is like, I bet you just did a courageous thing and you're now feeling terrified and scared. And I am here to remind you from your past and your future selves, you go, we've got your back. Take a deep breath right now. Remember your goodness. And you could just read it to yourself.
Yeah.
Maybe you could just be your like future wise self writing little love notes to your younger selves so that they can draw on when they need them in those moments.
Yeah, I like that. I could put it in my phone.
Yeah. You could even record yourself a voice memo that you're like emergency voice memo to self. And you could say, dear little pots, this is your, whatever for me it would be, this is your 53-year-old wise self coming back to you. I'm reminding you, you are good. I know you're feeling shame right now. I know that you're feeling self-doubt right now. I've got you. Take a deep breath, re-regulate, and come chat with me when you're ready. And then you just play that for yourself when you need it. Yeah. Good for now?
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I wish you all the best on this journey. And I just want to reiterate for everybody, I mean, this kind of healing work is lots of tiny little steps over time. And the situations that we heard from today, all of you, thank you so much for bringing them in because they all illustrate how this stuff can be ignited in the moment, how complex it is, how many time zones are there, and the importance of just going slowly with the one next thing. Many times it's a commitment, it's a long process. There's no magic bullet that you're just going to magically be different. So remember to love yourself up, all of you, all of the little parts, all of the memories, gentleness, soothing, re regulation, safety, and then go find communities of other people who are doing this work with you so that you're not doing it alone.